So I'm going to show you guys my morning beard care routine. In this video we'll go over which products I use and how I use them. First off, you want to start with rinsing your face. You then want to get a little bit of shampoo into your palms. 2 pumps of shampoo is usually enough. Rub the shampoo into your palms and then lather it into your beard. Make sure to get to the ends of your beard as well. And then finally rinse and pat dry. Next up we have the beard conditioner. Depending on the length of your beard, take a little bit of conditioner into your finger and apply it into your beard. Make sure you get to the roots of your beard as well. Our beard conditioner has a gentle hold, so this is a perfect time to shape your beard. So grab your Punjabi style beard brush and brush your beard in the direction that you would like to hold your beard in. Our beard combs made of hard sandalwood are perfect for removing any knots in your beard. Use this opportunity to remove any knots that may be in your beard. Okay, so we're almost there. Lastly, you want to grab your Punjabi style beard oil. Depending on the length of your beard, grab 3 to 5 drops of oil into your palm. Rub the oil into your palm rigorously and then finally apply it to your beard. And there you have it. This usually takes me no more than 5 minutes every morning, and I do this every day before getting ready for work.